Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore old photos using AI for free. Start by opening the browser and reaching the Chatgpt website. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Here, you can add any image of your choice from your files. Add a prompt to restore the old and damaged portrait photo to its original state with high realism and attention to detail. Ask it to maintain the subject's original facial features, expressions, hairstyle, clothing, and background style as close as possible to the original. Remove any damage, stains, or discoloration, but preserve the vintage photographic texture to retain its authenticity. The result should look like a high-resolution studio portrait from the same era, not overlay or modernized stylish. After adding the prompt, hit the arrow icon to send it. It'll start the processing and will show you the results in a few seconds. Lastly, you can download the image and save it. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.